In this video, I'm going to show you how to add education to your profile in Facebook. So first click Edit Profile, scroll down, and then you will see the details section. Click Edit, then scroll down a little bit and you will see this education section here. You could either add high school or college, so I'll just go with college and put your college name here. I'll just put Harvard, for example. I'll choose this, Harvard. And then you can put your degree here, what you're studying. Let's just put engineering or something, anything. Okay, I'll just choose like chemical engineer. And then you could also like adjust the settings here, whether you have graduated or you're still studying. You could adjust the month and the date and everything. And after you finish adjusting these details, just click Save, and then you could just ignore this because it's just telling you if you want to share this as a post. So click Save again, and this is basically how you add education to your profile. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.